Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this video I am going to show you how you can insert an image or PNG or JPG file in AutoCAD. So there is a file of 01 in the desktop. So I want to insert this file in AutoCAD. How you can insert this file in AutoCAD I will show you. First we will go to our AutoCAD page. Now we have opened our My Mechanical template. Now I want to insert an image, so where first I will go to insert option. From the insert option, here there is an option of attach, so click on the attach. So this dialog box will open. So from here browse where you have saved your file or which file you want to open, select that one. So our file is at present at desktop, so here I will click on desktop. Now from here you can see file type. You can select here all files or all image files. So all image file means it will show only the image file. If you click on all files, all the files on the desktop will be shown here. Okay, so first I will click on all files. So you can see here all file which is present at the desktop are shown here. So from here I will select the file image file which I have to insert in AutoCAD. The name of the file is 01. So here you can see it is here. So preview of our image shown here. So simply what I will do here, after selecting I will click on open. Now this dialog box will open. No need to change anything, set as default. Simply click here OK. After click on OK, here now asking me specify the intersection point. So where you want to insert the image, you can click here. I will want to insert here. Simply what I will do, I will click here. Now you can see here asking me the image size. So what convenient you want, you can set the distance by simply dragging the cursor or moving the cursor. How much distance, how much size image you want, you can simply click here. So you can see here the image has been inserted. So you can change its dimensions also by simply clicking on the grip. You can do okay, how much size you want, you can simply click it. Now there are several options are available here. You can see here. So first we have the brightness. So you can increase or set the brightness, how much brightness you want. From here simply with the help of mouse you can set the brightness also. Next to brightness we have contrast. So simply by dragging the cursor you can set the contrast also. So which next fade is there. You can set the fade also. At what fade you want, you can fade it. Next we have fade. You can see here create crippling boundary. What does it means? For an example, but I will fade it will be dark. Okay, now what I want some, but this option I should visible means what, from this image I want only this one. I want to insert or I want to know only as a reference this part. What I will do, I will create a boundary. How I will show you, by simply create crippling boundary. I will click on which part I have to show, that part what I will do, I will select here. So this part I want only, so I will select this part. Now I will simply click it. So you can see here only this part has shown, all the other part has been hidden. Okay, in this way you can create the crippling boundary. Okay, if you want the original, you simply after creating boundary there is option of remove, you can click it. So whole image has been shown. Okay, in this way if you want to show any particular part of the image, you can show by creating the crippling boundary. So from here on off is there image, you can off it or you can on it. So there is a background transparency, so you can click it. So this image has no background, so it's not happening. Now there is external reference, so it is a very lengthy topic. So in upcoming videos we will discuss in detail about the external reference. So all the details of the is present here. Okay, in this way you can insert a image, JPG or PNG file in AutoCAD. Okay, I think you have understand. Thank you.